Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find a Binance user ID. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up a particular Binance app on your phone, and now from over here you're going to find this kind of interface, and then on your top left you will find this profile icon given. Simply go ahead, tap on it. Then once you have done that, as highlighted, you will find your user, and at the bottom of that name you will find your user ID number which is just given. If you simply want to copy and share this, you can tap on this copy icon given beside it, copy that and share with your friends and family whom you would like to. Otherwise, this is how you can check out your user ID on Binance. Likewise, if you got more questions, make sure to comment down below. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.